All right, so here's my finished project 2. Oops. Here you can see the database. 2 collections are here. This collection and this one. And then here's the code for it. If you go to the server, this is the code I have. It's also including the OAuth. And let's see, it will take us to the index route, which will take us to some other routes here. The profile, swagger, workouts. Profiles will make sure that these 3 are authenticated. Post, put, delete anything that's gonna like edit the data. And then the just general get routes won't have that. And these will all, the ones that change data will also have validation requirements. And it's the same in my workouts. JS pretty much. And then here's the controllers. Here's the profile controller, and the first 2 will just get some of the data. They'll just pull it up, and then the next 3 will edit the data. They all have try catch blocks to check for errors. And some if statements like this one to check for errors. And let's see, we also have the validation middleware, which makes sure that the data that's being entered is correct. Like an email has to be an email, or certain things have to be numbers or strings. And then here's the authentication to make sure that somebody that's changing the information has access. Let's see. Now we'll go actually to the site and do some tests. So here I have the site on render. So we'll copy that and open it up here. Right now I'm logged out. So for example, while I'm logged out, if I go to the API docs, you can see that the data I can get the data right here. But if I tried to edit any of this data, for example, if I take this first one, and we'll try to we'll try to edit it. We'll try to make it different. If I paste it in here, take this ID, put it here, and we'll say that the name is going to be John. And when I execute it, I'm going to get that I don't have access. And as you can see, if I get all of the data again, it doesn't edit anything. But if I log in, so we'll go here, log in. I'm logged in as Gwen Utley. And now if I go to the API docs, and we'll do this one with the workouts route. I'll get all of these. I'm going to go to the last one. We're going to create a new workout actually for this one. Let's see, post, try it out. Get rid of this ID because we don't need that for a new one. We'll do squats. And we'll change it to 20. Now when I execute it, it returns to 200, so it should work. We can check here to make sure. So you can see this last one is squats. And we're going to actually do one more check. We're going to try to delete it now. Just have to enter the ID again at 200, so it should have worked. And now we'll see that the last one won't be squats anymore. So now hit this. So we're going to do one more check. We're going to create another, we'll create an account for this one. Let's see. Or we'll try to edit a profile. That's what we'll do. So if I copy this last profile, copy, and put it into here to edit it. And we'll just edit the name to example. And we're going to change this email so that it's not an email. And execute. And you can see that I'll get back a 400 error. Email must be a valid email. So that's just to check for the errors. And you can also see that when I log out, that will also log me out. Log out. Again, logged out, and it will go back to the same where I can't really change anything.